Was partly sunny, with a temperature of 89 at Yuma and 81 at Sierra Vista. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme northwestern Maricopa County and south central Arizona, east central La Paz County and west central Arizona until 12:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 12:11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Salome, or 40 miles northwest of Tonopah, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wyndon and Gladden. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday evening for southeastern Arizona.